Hi everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, a very latest news is doing rounds that UGC has done away with the mandatory requirement of having a PhD or a NET certificate for inducting assistant professors in Central University. Well, क्या ये न्यूज़ सही है? क्या ये न्यूज़ गलत है? तो पार्शियली येस एंड पार्शियली नो. इसके लिए हमें जो है ना, वी हैव टू delve further into this news and get more information. The truth is this, that for certain posts जिनको specially create किया गया है, for example associate professor of practice, ये specialized posts हैं जो कि central universities create करेंगी experts के लिए. People who do not have PhD degree, people who do not have NET certificates, but they are experts in their particular field. For example, कोई diplomat है, उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा experience है foreign countries का, so they can be teaching international relations. At the same time, defense studies के लिए defense officers, armed forces के जो officers हैं, who've got enriching experience in their area of profession, and they have got expertise, and if they're interested in teaching, they can apply for these permanent or temporary posts depending upon the requirement of the central university. तो जैसे आपको पता ही आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा specialized subjects, for example robotics, artificial intelligence, at the same time international related subjects जो हैं, whether वो politics को लेके हों, economics को लेके हों, इनकी जो actual knowledge होती है वो professionals के पास होती है, whether it is the administrative wing or the political wing or the foreign wing या defense sector की अगर हम बात करें, so the people who are actually working there for years have actual experience. और National Education Policy 2020 के implementation की ही राह के ऊपर ये जो है decision लिया गया है UGC ने, that these people will be invited. At the same time, if they will, they can apply for these posts. So इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा enriching real life experience, practical exposure जो उन लोगों ने face किया है अपनी life में, they will be able to share that with the students. और इसी से ही जो हमारा educational sector है, that is going to be more enriching. तो ये बहुत ही strong positive move है. अभी तक UGC का एक बहुत ज़्यादा strict guideline था that people who do not have NET and people who do not have a PhD degree, they will not be inducted in in the post of assistant professors or associate professors. तो ये सभी जो चीजें हैं ये इन्हीं लोगों के लिए लागू होंगी, दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्ट्स, और इनको जो पोजीशन दी जाएगी, as I told you, it is professor of practice, associate professor of practice. So, इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि हमें अपनी तैयारी जो है नेट की वो करते रहनी है. These posts are specialized for specialized people. So you and other people who want to come into the field of higher education, you have to continue with your studies, continue preparing for your NET, GRF, crack it, and also start doing your PhD. क्योंकि आपको पता है जुलाई 2023 के बाद ये जो रोक लगा दी थी फॉर द इंडक्शन ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर्स इन सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी की PhD एक मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, वो अपलिफ्ट हो जाएगी जुलाई 2023 से. तो बेटर यही है दैट जस्ट इनरोल योरसेल्फ in the PhD program, try to finish it as soon as possible, and don't delay it at all. Okay, don't delay your enrollment and keep preparing for your UGC NET JRF 2022. So I hope I was able to put some light on this news and आपकी थोड़ी confusion दूर हुई होगी. So I'll meet you soon. Till then, please take very good care of yourselves.